Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to MB Unfiltered. My name is Akash Shinde. In this video, we are going to talk about the waitlist moment of IAMS. As lot of students were asking me regarding the waitlist moment, so I made one PPT for you. Let's move on to the PPT. I hope this is visible to you guys. This is the image of IAM Ahmedabad where I captured the image of it. Yes. For I am Indore, for general, the waitlist movement is around 310, EWS 75 to 85, OBC 260 plus, SC 175 to 185, ST 100 plus, PWD 40, and yes, the result was announced on May 12, 2024. This is the past year data that I have taken. I am Mumbai. Last year waitlist moment was 381, EWS 55, OBC 247, SC 2110, ST 45, PWD 84 to 89. I am Udaipur. The general waiting list is 775, EWS 153, OBC 260 plus, SC 330 plus, ST 40, PWD 10. You can see here when it comes to general category, waitlist is more than 700. Last to last year, waitlist was around 1100. So this is the pattern that we are seeing for IIM Udaipur. When it comes to IIM Shillong, general category waitlist moment is 646, EWS 79, OBC 180 plus, then SC 91, ST 27, PWD 5, and release date was around May 8, 2024. I am Trichy, general waiting list 700, EWS 65 to 70, OBC 210, SC 100 plus, ST 85, PWD 15. So you can see here for IIM Mumbai, there has been lot of seats that are remaining for PWD candidate, and the release date of their result is May 10, 2024. So this year the results are going to announced on around the same dates, maybe 5 to 10 days here and there. When it comes to I am Vishakhapatnam, merit list, I would say wait list has been moved by 775, EWS 640, OBC 299, SC 161, ST 246, PWD 38, and result was announced on May 18, 2024. For I am Sirmur, wait list has been moved by 2900, EWS 1900. It just because it is a new IIM, and the demand. See, there are a lot of private B school which are far better than IIM Sirmur. I also left IIM Sirmur and Sambalpur for Great Lakes, so that's why you might have seen this much of waitlist moment. For ST 716, PWD 0, SC 436. Result was announced on May 10, 2024. For IIM Sambalpur, general waitlist moment is 1800, EWS 450, OBC 1270, SC 690, ST 325. Result was announced on May 10, 2024. For IIM Jammu, general merit list, I would say wait list 1941, EWS 1014, OBC 616, SC 134, ST 212, PWD 24. I am Jammu, I am बोध गया एंड आई एम संबलपुर में एक्सेंचर स्ट्रैटेजी एंड कंसल्टिंग का जो डोमेन आता है, the pool placement happens in these B schools. I'm Amritsar waitlist moment is 724, EWS 308, OBC 130, SC 56, ST 67, PWD 24. I am both Gaya. 180 is the general merit list, EWS 159 is the wait list, OBC 69 plus, SC 8, ST 77, PWD 2. If I look at I am Vishakhapatnam, the waiting list for general category is 775, EWS 640, OBC 299, SC 161, ST 246, PWD 38. For IM Sirmon 2900, EWS 1900, OBC 1200, SC 436, ST 716, PWD 0. The result was announced on May 10, 2024. IM Sambalpur general waiting list is 1800, EWS 450, OBC 1270, SC 690, ST 325, PWD 0. IM Jammu waiting list is around 1941, EWS 1014, OBC 616, SC 134, ST 212, PWD 24. I am Amritsar, the waiting list is around 724, EWS 308, OBC 130, SC 56, ST 67, PWD 24. I am both gaya. For general category, wait list has been moved by 180 plus, EWS 159, OBC 69 plus, SC 8, ST 77, PWD 2, and result was announced on May 22 2024. अगर आपका वेट लिस्ट नंबर अराउंड दिस नंबर के आसपास है या इससे कम है, तो आपके चांसेस है दैट यू विल डेफिनेटली कन्वर्ट एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट अ सीट इनटू दिस बी स्कूल्स. Lastly, I am Indore. For general category, waitlist has been moved by 310, EWS 75 to 85, OBC 260, SC 175, ST 100, PWD 40. Result was announced on May 12. I am Mumbai 381. For general category, EWS 55, OBC 247, SC 210, ST 45, PWD 84 to 89. I am Udaipur again, general category 771, EWS 153 plus, OBC 260 plus, SC 330 plus, EST 43, PWD 10. I am Shillong, general waitlist has been moved by 646, EWS 79, OBC 188, SC 91, ST 27, PWD 5. Last I am is I am Trichy, general waitlist has been moved by 700, EWS 65 to 70, OBC 210, SC 100, ST 85, PWD 15 plus. And result was announced on May 10, 2025. You can see here. So guys, आपका वेट लिस्ट नंबर अराउंड दिस नंबर या इससे कम है, इट मीन्स दैट यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट अ सीट इन द कैंपस. यहाँ यू विल सी 5 और 10 का डिफरेंस आ सकता है, इसके ऊपर तो डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द वेट लिस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ आई एम्स. इफ यू एनी क्वेरीज, डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. आई विल डेफिनेटली टेक अप योर क्वेरी.